This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Vicki Perkins. Clean and fresh renovation that will appeal to your sense style. This home that offers a dramatic renovation that is beyond comparison. New fresh paint colors and new flooring throughout are just a few of the improvements. Updated cabinetry features new countertops and showcases generous space to prepare your family their favorite meal. Double doors entering your bedroom greet the end your day with relaxation into the primary suite. Offering a split floor plan and spacious bedrooms plus new fixtures and stunning landscaping, all of this set this home apart from the rest. If country living is what you desire, make 2050 Calcote Road your new address today. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicki Perkins at 337